Hello everyone, this is Sam from Newton Public Library. I wanted to make a quick video to introduce you to Flipster. Flipster lets you read popular current magazines in digital form. It's free, and all you need is a library card and a computer, smartphone, or tablet device. So to access Flipster, we'll start from the library homepage, www.newtonplks.org. Flipster is under the Resources tab, then Search Databases. And we actually have it linked at the top here to promote the service, but you'll also find it under F in the alphabetical list of library databases. Okay, here's where you need your library card. You'll type it into the patron ID field. If you don't have one, send us a Facebook message or email library@newtonplks.org and we'll help you get one. All right, and now we're logged into Flipster. You can read a total of 34 different magazines, including People, Time, Cosmopolitan, Entertainment Weekly, and ESPN Magazine. My favorites are The New Yorker and The Atlantic, because I like that long-form journalism, but I will click on highlights to show how the navigation functions work. Okay, on the desktop app, we have forward and back arrows to turn the pages. You can zoom in and out, and in most magazines, you can actually click on headlines on the cover or table of contents to link directly to the page that your story is on. So I'll click on this one here, and it takes you right to the story. Here under All Issues, you can see that in addition to the current issue, Highlights lets you view several years worth of back issues. The number of back issues you can read varies, but all these magazines will let you see at least the most current issue. Okay, yeah, and you see here, if you just click to zoom in and out, or you can use these here to zoom in and out as well. Okay, so that's the desktop side. Now I'd like to show you a bit about the digital app. This isn't the app itself, but I pulled up its page on the Google Play Store. You can download Flipster either on the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store, depending which kind of smartphone or tablet device you use. All you do is open up the App Store that you're using and type Flipster and then hit download. And then here are some screenshots of what the app looks like once it's downloaded. It looks pretty much the same in Android or Apple devices. Basically, it's pretty similar to the desktop website. One difference is that in order to log in, you have to select Newton Public Library. It may bring it up as an option based on detecting your location, or if it doesn't have your location, you just type Newton Public Library into a search window, and you should be able to find us and then enter your library card, just like the desktop website. Another difference, let me get this. Another difference is that you can actually download the magazines to your tablet or mobile device using the app. And that's great because it lets you download magazines in advance. And then if you're going somewhere with poor data reception or no data reception, like an airplane, you can open them up and still read them. You might think it would be hard to read a full magazine page on a little phone screen, but actually it works pretty well. You can, I don't know if there's a picture of it in here, but you can double tap on a column of text to zoom into it. And most magazines also have a text view mode. Mostly when I'm using Flipster, I'm using it on my smartphone. But if you have a larger tablet, I'm sure it feels even more like reading a physical magazine. So I hope you'll download the Flipster app or head to the website and give it a try. Thanks for listening. If you have questions or need help, please email us at library@newtonplks.org or send us a message on Facebook.